Love the sound of rain. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we make the world more illustrated. Welcome back. It's good to see you. If you haven't been here already, hey guys, I'm Stuart. I am the creator of Magic Bee Illustrations. And I'm a bit of a weirdo. So last week, obviously, a studio vlog didn't go up, but I did do a like tips on TikTok because I've had it for about a week, and actually I've nearly reached 1,000 subscribers on there already. So that's only from like a week extra than a month. So 5 weeks. My maths is awful. Don't judge me. So this week's going to be a little bit different. I have got a couple of orders that I need to pack and get ready to send off from Etsy. So I am going to do that this week. I'm going to show you me getting things ready, me printing off some stickers using my Cricut machine. So yeah, that's the process this week. Other than that, nothing's really happened. Oh, I did actually receive a package last week. I don't know if you saw on my Instagram, so I'll show you now. But I got these. How cute are they? They're so cute. This one's called Stuart. This one is Scarlet. There you go. And this one's a blip. This one is a mystery blip from Woah Dude. My friend Laura, I love to support other artists, by the way, so I ordered these little guys. This was a blind box one, so check it out, please. I'll leave a description down below for Laura's shop, because her things are so cute. Look how cute they are. But yes, anyway, let's get on these orders. Let's go. So I've made sure that the light cardstock, the cutting settings there, and all these are the right things. So I'm literally just gonna pop it in the machine. Draw it in. So that's gonna, and then press the Cricut button. So at the minute it's just scanning that black line and the image to see where it's cutting. As you can see, there's a little light in there. Just doing the boundary lines. And now it's done that, it's detecting tool. And now it's going to start cutting. Right, so there's that done. There's the first ones. It's a different map because I messed the first one up, alright? Happens. It's hard to do with one end. There you go. You cut all my stickers out. Sticker pack number 1 done. So I'm just about to do Snow Gwyn's sticker pack because the person also ordered this one in the same order. So let's get on with that. So the other person ordered some lamb choc stickers. So I'm going to make them too. Right, so I've printed lamb choc out and cut her out, and then I put them in these little CeeLo bags. I'm only using these CeeLo bags for now because I do want to get biodegradable ones, but I'm going to use what I've got because I don't want to waste it. So that's that ready. So now what I need to do is I need to get the packets ready. So what I have done, how I do it. So I've got some yellow card with my pattern on, and then I put it through the Cricut and it cuts out my template that I made. So I'll show you that now. So this is my template I made for my stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press continue, and then it's going to come over to my Cricut. So obviously I want to make sure that it's light cardstock so that it cuts it through, but I need to change the tool. So actually over here I have this tool, which is a scoring pen if I remember rightly. So I need to go over to my Cricut and I need to put it into this one, and it just clicks in. So that's ready. And then I need to just change my tool over here. So edit tools. Oh, it's called a scoring stylus. So I need to click that, apply, and there you go. So I've got my sheet ready. There you go. Make sure it's in there nice and straight and stuck down. And then press the Cricut button. So this is it scoring all the lines I've made. Now it's going to cut it out. Just going to go over there to change the tool. So there we go, that's all cut out. So don't worry, I don't waste this bit. I have little stamps that I use and I make my own little confetti. So this is my you see it's bending on the score lines already. So there we go. That is my when I folded it. It's very dark today. I'm so sorry. There you go. And then I put some little stickers on here to say what pack it is. But I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to make some more. So, now I'm going to show you how I make my sticker packs. So, I've got one here. So what I do is I fold it up a bit because it doesn't fit completely in there. Into the pack we just made. So and as I said, these are only temporary until I've used them all up. Then I shall be doing biodegradable ones. And then what I normally do is I put a little gold thank you sticker on it. So there's that. So that obviously is quite plain, so I normally put this one here. And then I have all my characters as a big sheet. And then this one will go here. So that's my sticker pack. So what I normally do as well, I normally give away a little freebie. So I have got so many different types of freebie stickers. So I am going to do these for my customers that have ordered with me. They also get a little certificate with them. Then I write the bee's name on it. And then I also make these little mystery boxes. So then I also put a sticker on top of this one. I'm obviously not going to say which one gets which one, but they're super cute. I made these boxes as well using my Cricut with the scoring stylus and cutting out, and just basically designed my own template. And then cut out some stickers that I made also on Cricut. There we go, that's my freebies. So I'm going to use these little envelopes for the orders. So lovely Tilly ordered some more stickers from me. She ordered a Turpentine and a Snowgwin sticker set. So I'm going to pack them. And then I have another order. Lucy ordered some lamb choc stickers. So I'm going to pack those. Not forgetting Lucy's freebie. Right, so now I've done the postage labels, I want to make this look a bit more pretty. So let's add some magic. So that's the magic added. I'm going to take them to the post box. So there we go, guys. That's me doing an order from my Etsy shop. Yeah, stickers. Come and check out my Etsy store. I've put the link in the description below. If you haven't already subscribed, press that subscribe button. Why have you not done it already? And press that bell for more notifications, as there will be more videos. Come and check me out on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. And I also have a Redbubble shop. So basically I'm on every platform. So come and find me, please. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been a crazy week. So I'll see you next week. Yeah. Love you all. Take care. See you soon. Bye.